Every time we travel to a Spanish-speaking country, I'm the guy with his phone up waiting for Google Translate to tell me what someone just said, and it's kind of embarrassing. You're standing in front of a real person trying to connect, and you're staring at your screen. Last time I actually studied Spanish was in high school, and that was about 20 years ago. So yeah, I'm basically starting from ground zero. In this video, I partnered with Speak to put their app through the ringer, 2 weeks, 10 minutes a day. I'm going to show you what it actually looks like, how it works, and whether it made any real difference. Let's go ahead and get started. When you first open Speak, it doesn't just throw you into lessons, it asks you about your goals, your current level, and why you're learning. So the learning path it builds feels like it's actually for you and not some generic course everyone gets. Now the drills, this is where it feels different from something like Duolingo right away. With Duolingo, you're tapping tiles, matching words, dragging things around, while with Speak, you're talking out loud. You're speaking into your phone and it's listening, and that shift matters way more than it sounds because saying a word and tapping a word are completely different mental tasks.
¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
Me gusta dibujar.
Me gusta dibujar.
What do you like to do in your free time?
¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
Inside the drills, there's also a review section where it pulls back all the prompts and you just have to recall what you've learned. No hints, no word banks. I blinked more than once, but then the word would naturally come back to me, and when it did, it would actually stick. That friction is the point. The video lessons and speaking drills also pulled in words that I had never seen before in any other app and definitely never heard in high school Spanish class. Chévere is a good example. It means something like cool or awesome, and it's the kind of word you'd hear on the street in a lot of Spanish-speaking countries, not in a textbook. Speak actually teaches you how people talk, and not just how Spanish is written. But here's where it gets interesting, the Free Talk tab. This is a feature that separates Speak from pretty much everything else that I've tested. You pick a real-world scenario, something like ordering at a food truck or asking for directions, and you just have a conversation. The app plays the other side, and you respond out loud in Spanish or whatever language you're learning. It's not a quiz, it's practice for the actual moment when you're standing in front of someone who doesn't speak your language. That's the gap most apps miss. Duolingo lets you practice a language, Speak lets you practice speaking it. Those aren't the same thing. One trains your eyes and your fingers, the other trains your mouth and your instincts, and that's the one that saves you when you freeze up in real life.
Hola, le doy la bienvenida a El Tonayense. ¿Qué desea tomar?
Preguntaye qué hay en el menú. Sí, yo quiero burritos.
Perfecto, tenemos 3 tipos de carne. Pollo, carne asada y cerdo. ¿Cuál le gustaría?
After a few weeks of this, I can't sit here and tell you that I'm fluent. I'm definitely not, but I'm noticeably more comfortable actually using what I've learned. The words come a little faster. I don't freeze as often. I can genuinely see how someone who sticks with this regularly could get to real fluency because the progress in just 2 weeks was definitely real. So if you're learning a language because you want to actually speak it when you travel, not just recognize words on a sign, Speak is the one that I point you to. It's built for conversation, not just comprehension, and that makes a real difference the moment you're standing in front of someone and need the words to come out. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description so you can check out more information about Speak and download it and try it for yourself. And if you want more content like this, do be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. That about wraps it up for this one. Be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.